Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix the small font when you reply in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook login page, so let me just log in my account first. Click on sign in, enter my email, and then enter my password. Then here is my Outlook account. So here we are in the Outlook account. So whenever we reply or create a new email, there is a default font size that is applied to our email. So for example, if I create a new mail, I will have this 12 font size right here. So the same is also applied if I reply to specific emails. For example, this one. If I reply to this email, I will also have a 12 font size. So what you can do is that you can just go ahead and change the font size right here if you want to make it bigger. And then once you type in, it will now be a bigger font size. But if you want to change the default settings so that you don't need to change the font size every time you create a new message, you can just change the font size from the settings. So to do that, we can go here to settings at the upper right, and then go to mail, and then go to compose and reply. So here is the default font size whenever we create a new message. We have the Aptos font style. If you want to change it, you can do it as well. And then we have this 12 font size. So we can change it to a smaller font, so it will look like that. Or we can change it to a bigger font, so for example, 20, so it will look like this by default. And then we can click on save. And then now, whenever we create a new email, so for example, I'll close this first, and then I'll close this one as well. So for example, if I create a new mail, it will automatically have the 20 font size. And then when I reply to an email, it will also automatically have the 20 font size. And then if you want to change it again, you can just go back here to compose and reply, and then change the specific font size that you want. And then that is it. That is how we can fix the font size being too small here in Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.